Today I'm making something very cozy and festive, kind of a pastry ring or a roll. Honestly, I never know how to name it, but it's delicious, I promise you. I start with cranberries. I cook them over the medium heat with brown sugar. Actually, you can use the white one, it's also okay. And add a few cloves for the warm mulled-wine flavor. Once the cranberries soften and release their juice, mix a little cornstarch with water and stir it in. This helps the cranberry filling thicken so it won't run out of pastry while baking. I use cheese brie, it's really good for this pastry ring, and I cut it into rather big pieces. And then let's start to make this pastry ring. I make some puff pastry and cut it into triangles, just like you would for croissants. I place a small plate in the center of my cutting board and arrange the pastry triangles around it in a circle. Then I remove the plate, and that gives me a perfect ring shape. I spread the cranberry filling in the center. Berry jam here. Add pieces of creamy brie cheese on top, and then gently fold the pastry triangles over the filling, overlapping them to form a beautiful ring. In the little gaps that stay open on top, I add chopped walnuts, but pistachios would be amazing here too. Then I brush everything with egg wash and sprinkle almond flakes on top. Into the oven it goes until golden and flaky. Once it's baked and slightly cooled, I finished it with dusting of powdered sugar. And that's it! A festive cranberry and cheese puff pastry ring with warm Christmas spices. It smells incredible, tastes even better, and honestly feels like the holidays on a plate. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you will leave me a like and subscribe my channel because I will have more ideas for your kitchen.